Welcome to Knowledge First. Today we will look how to draw basic mathematical shapes in MS Word. I'm using MS Word 2016. And what are the basic mathematical shapes? There is a list here: rectangle, square, circle, semicircle, sector, triangles, parallelogram, trapezium, cone, prism, pyramid, cube, cylinder, etc. Okay, let's look how to draw each one by using MS Word. Okay, first insert and shapes. There is a list of basic basic shapes here, and you can draw uh, simply. And first one, rectangle, and yeah, this is the rectangle. And you can change the properties of rectangle you drawn, and for that go to format, and if you want to remove this color shape fill, and you can add color what you want, or you can remove the color no fill. And outline, you can use various colors or various colors, black, or outline thickness, outline weight. You can see here, change the thickness of your outline, and I use half ET, and this is the rectangle you want. Then you drawn a rectangle here, and second one is square. You can draw a square by using this rectangle. How to do that? uh, just right click mouse and copy the rectangle here. If you select copy here, if you select move, this rectangle will move to here, and copy here, and you can resize uh, from this to a scale. You have to imagine and approximately scale, and this is the scale is also drawn. Second one is circle. Then insert shapes. There is a no shape called circle, but there is a oval, and draw oval here, and you have to resize, it appears like a circle. And you can change properties: shape fill, no fill, outline, uh, black, and outline weight of 4. You can select here. Fourth one, semicircle. Let's look how to draw a semicircle. Insert shapes, but there is no tool called semicircle, uh, so we can use this one, moon. Okay, let's draw a moon, and what you have to do is uh, click on this dot and drag to backward. Okay, and rotate and adjust. It appears like a semicircle. Okay, then if you want to draw a line here, and just take a line tool and draw a line and adjust right like that. You can draw a semicircle. And fifth one, sector. Insert shape, you can use this pie, and here a sector. You can change properties: no fill, black, weight, half. You can create more sectors. Okay, right click and drag here, copy here, you can change like this. Okay, you can create various sectors. Then triangle, it is very easy, and take triangle and draw, change properties, right, and right click and copy here. Okay, you can change the shape of triangle. How to do that? And just select this and then appear the format tool here, and go to edit shape, edit points. Okay, edit points, then you can change points and various shapes. Okay, let's look more shapes. Right click and copy here, format, edit shape, edit point. You can draw, you can change the shape of the triangle. And then if you want to insert here a perpendicular mark, uh, go to insert, shape, text box here, insert a text box, and shape, no fill, no outline, and insert symbol. You can use this square mark and here, and resize the text box and move here and click. Okay, then you have a perpendicular mark here. Then parallelogram, it is very easy. Insert shapes, there is a parallelogram tool, and just draw and fill, shape, color, weight half. If you want to draw a perpendicular mark, line, change color, can adjust like that. And here you can copy, right, perpendicular mark is also there. And trapezium, insert shapes, trapezium here, and draw a trapezium and shape fill, no, like that. Then cone, how to draw a cone? Insert, there is no tool to draw a cone, and we can use oval, and draw a oval, shape fill, no fill, outline black, weight half, and take it line tool and uh, approximately get the center point and draw a line vertically, and stop where you want your height of the cone, and take line tool again and keep here, draw select here format, adjust the lines. It looks like good. Okay, then if you want to draw line, you can use the shapes. If you don't want this, you can just delete. Okay, cone is okay now. Then cone prism. Prism is also drawn by using triangles and lines. Draw triangle here and right mouse click and take a copy. Right mouse click. Select line tool. Another line. Okay, there is a prism. If you want to change these properties of this line, but if you want to add dash lines to this base and this base also, you can't add uh, here. But what you have to do is just select and move it and format, take line tools and draw the triangle again. Okay, then select this line. You can change to dash line. Okay, prism is okay. Then next one, pyramid. Okay, let's look how to draw a pyramid. Insert, shape, take a rectangle, draw a square, take line tool and approximately from the center write a vertical line, the height of the pyramid, then draw the pyramid. select all the lines, change properties. Then you can, okay, draw another line. Perpendicular line of the base of the pyramid, base of the pyramid, perpendicular line. Okay, perpendicular mark is also there. Pyramid is okay. Then cube, cylinder is very easy. Insert, there is tool here, cube, cube, and you can change properties. Okay, then cylinder, and those are the basic mathematical shapes. We draw these 13 shapes, and let's look how to add lengths, widths, heights, and etc. For that, insert shapes. There is a text box. Take a text box and draw here. Write the length A, size, but you can see here, if you don't change the properties, you can see a box and the shape fill. Then go to click here, then appear the format tab, select shape fill, no fill, outline, no outline. Now there is no outline, no shape fill. You can move this and right click and drag, copy, right click, and when the cursor appears, right click and copy. And that's how insert lengths, widths, and heights, etc. this picture you cannot move where you want because these sections are separate, not one. So when you select it, select separately. So we have to group this picture. We have to group all the sections in this into one. So what you have to do is select one and pressing Control key and select others sections. You can see here a plus mark plus a box and arrow key. When it appears, you have to select. Okay, you have selected everyone and go to Format, Group, Group. Okay, you can now see all sections are grouped into one, but one line hasn't selected, so we have to select that line too. Okay, hit here and pressing Control key, select that one and again group. Let's look. But the perpendicular mark hasn't selected again, and keep here and pressing Control keys. Okay, then go again, Format, Group, Group. Let's look. Okay, now it is grouped. Now you can move it where you want. Okay, these things you have to do with more patience. Okay, and like others these other pictures you can group like this. Okay, and that's all about drawing mathematical shapes, and thank you for watching and subscribe for more knowledge.